I want to thank the brand for sending me these solar lights. These are solar lights for your fence or for any outdoor space that needs lighting. This is a pack of 8 lights. It's easy to assemble. It comes with screws, or it also comes with really strong 3M tape that can be used for outdoors. I'm choosing to use the 3M tape that could be used for outdoors. As you can see, it's really simple to stick the 3M tape on the back of the solar light and peel the back off. Once I stick it on, it has a really strong hold. I really like the design of this. It's pretty the way it has the rounded edges. There's 3 different lighting modes, and you can control the lighting modes with this button on the side. It's real simple to use. I enjoy having these lights outside because I have a dog and I like to see where she's going in the dark. I like these lights and I highly recommend them. I have the link to this attached to this video. All you have to do is click on the shopping bag and add them to your cart. Shop this product. The link is in the description and also pinned in the comments.